Hey guys, today in this video we are going to learn on how to check Facebook tagged photos, and all we have to do is to launch our Facebook application, and from here we are going to tap on our profiles, then we are going to tap on our names, and then from here we are going to tap on the photos. From here we are going to tap on tagged photos. In the case that you have been tagged, all the photos that you have been tagged will be located here. But in this case, I haven't been tagged on any photo. But in the case that you have been tagged in any photo, this is where you're going to see those photos that you have been tagged in. So all we have to do is just tap on here at our profile, and then we're going to tap on our names. And then from there, we're going to tap on the tagged photo. And in the case that you have been tagged, this is where you are going to see those photos that your followers or your friends have tagged you in. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.